What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to switch a inner tube. So I just went out on my bike that I usually do whenever I can, and I went off a big drop, and as you can see here, I have a puncture. So here are the tools that you'll need to fix it with. You need tyre levers, a pump, and an inner tube. Step number 1, get the inner tube out of its package. So personally, I like to pump the inner tube up a little bit, because it's easier to get it into the rim of the bike. Now you've pumped the inner tube up, you want to take the wheel off. Now you've got the wheel off, you want to take the tyre off. So you would want 2 tyre levers for this. So what you would want to do is, you would want to grab a tyre lever, push it down onto the rim, use this spoony side, push it down into the rim, lift the tyre up, and this hook here is meant for going around the spokes to keep it in place. Get your second tyre lever, dig it under, and push it around to get the tyre off. So now you want to remove the tyre levers from the tyre. Then you want to grab that, I've forgotten what it's called, shove it up out of that hole and grab the inner tube. So, if you're wondering what you could use the inner tube for, you could wrap it around your chainstay, put some duct tape on it, and use that. Very protective. So, now you want to check the inside of the tyre for any thorns or anything that could have popped the inner tube. So far, I have found 0 things, no rocks, nothing in there that could possibly pop an inner tube, apart from these tiny little pebbles. Well, not pebbles, but tiny little stones which are about less than a millimetre big. So, once you've done that, you want to find the valve hole, grab your inner tube, get the valve here, and stick it through that hole. It might take a little while, because when I first did it, it took me about 3 minutes to actually get it in. So, once you've done that, you want to grab the inner tube and put it under the tyre and onto there. and onto the rim. So, once you've put the inner tube in, you want to grab the side of the tyre and just pop it back to the side of the rim. So, once you have put the tyre back on, you want to grab a pump, put it on the valve, and start pumping the tyre back up. Okay, so once you have pumped the tyre up, you want to put the tyre back on the bike. All good. Okay, so that's the end of the videos. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.